Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you quickly how to force stop apps with the Onn TV.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So head over to your app and you're going to go to the top menu. This is your home screen, your dashboard. Just head over to the top bar and go to the right. Top right, you have quick settings. At the top right of the next panel, you have all settings. Under all settings, you're going to navigate down and find apps. So if you are apps, click on it to get in. And you're going to navigate to the right where you find all the apps. So you could choose an app. For instance, I'm looking at the downloader application. Clicking on this gives me these options. I could open the app. At the same time, I could force stop the app. So clicking on this and clicking OK will force stop the app. So if you stop the app, you may immediately that if you are frozen, you really have to stop the app. Just click OK and find out the app stop just like that. So if you find that insightful button, press the chat in the next video. That's not a book.
Yeah, a lot of the